Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, how you doing? Please subscribe, I would totally love that. And if you're returning, how are we today? Well, today we're going to be replanting. Yes, I said it, replanting. The cilantro that I have in a pot is outgrowing its pot. And it's not doing too well. So I put in already the soil that was made by Miracle-Gro for in-ground use. So we're going to be repotting this, replanting this, repotting it, listen to me. So let's try and get this out as gently as we can and put that in there. And then we'll fill around it with some compost and cow manure so it can be comfortable in its new home. Oh, eggshells. Yeah, it was actually outgrowing so bad that I was afraid it was going to die on me. And I use cilantro in a lot of my food. So, and if you can tell, it's starting to flower, which means it's going to start to seed soon, and it's growing so tall. Look, it's starting to bend. So I really wanted to get this in the ground. So that was my project for today. Now I'm just going to put just a little bit of mulch down to keep the moisture in. Even though it already had some mulch in it from when it was in the pot, it wasn't enough, you know, it was just enough for the pot, you know what I mean? So let's just put a little bit of mulch in. And that's it. Yeah, look, see? I don't know if you can tell. It's sad. But it's because it ran out of room in the pot. Okay, let's put the little tag in here so we don't forget, but like we can forget what cilantro looks like. Okay, guys, have a great day. See you in the next one, and I love you. Bye.